Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly, and today we are going to see that how we can set up Webhook inside Eventbrite. So as we all know, Eventbrite is an online platform that allows people to create, promote and manage events, whether it's a small gathering, a large conference or a virtual workshop. So Eventbrite provides the tools needed to organize and sell tickets for events. It caters to event organizers by offering features like event registration, ticketing, payment processing and promotional tools. And for attendees, Eventbrite serves as a marketplace where they can discover events happening near them or online. They can even purchase tickets and receive notification and updates about the event they are interested in. So overall, Eventbrite simplifies the process of hosting and attending events and also making it easier for both organizers and participants to connect and engage. So here what we are going to see is that how we can set up Webhook inside Eventbrite. And webhooks are a powerful tool for automating processes and ensuring that your systems are always up to date with the latest information. And when it comes to managing events for Eventbrite, setting up a webhook allows you to automatically receive real-time updates whenever a new attendee registers or when other important event-related activity occurs. So by integrating webhooks with Eventbrite, you can streamline tasks like updating your CRM with attendee information, sending personalized follow-up emails or triggering marketing campaigns as soon as someone registers for your event. So this automation is particularly valuable for event organizers who need to manage large volumes of data efficiently and want to ensure that all related systems are synchronized without manual intervention. So in this video, I will show you how to set up a webhook in Eventbrite so you can automate these processes and focus on creating memorable events while your system handles the details. So here by setting up a webhook inside Eventbrite, what we want is that as soon as we are going to receive a new registrant for any event that we have in our Eventbrite account, then automatically we want to get the response of that registrant. So by setting up webhook inside Eventbrite, we are going to get the responses of the new registrant for all the events that we have in Eventbrite. And also here for setting up the webhook and for creating some amazing automation, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing software for automation and integration. And now for using Pabbly Connect, I need to open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in my browser. And this will take us to this landing page of Pabbly Connect. Now here in this landing page, we have two options, sign in and sign up for free. If we don't have any account with Pabbly Connect, then we can just click on the sign up for free button. And this will take only 2 minutes of our time and we will get 100 tasks free every month. Or if we already have an account, we can just sign in. And we will get to see this page. So these are all the apps that Pabbly offers and we need to use Pabbly Connect here. For that, I just need to click on this Access Now button under Pabbly Connect. And this is going to direct us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now here in the dashboard, we need to first create a workflow. And for that, I'm going to click on this Create Workflow button. Now here I need to give a name to my workflow. So I'm going to name it as my objective, which is to set up webhook inside Eventbrite. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on create. And this will take us to this most important window of our workflow. Here we can see we have these two boxes of trigger and action. So these are the two main principles on which our workflow works on. And trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is going to be the first step that will get executed in our workflow and action is just going to follow that. So here what we need to do is we need to set up our trigger, and in trigger I'm going to select my trigger application as Eventbrite, and by using Eventbrite as my trigger application, I'm going to set up webhook inside Eventbrite. So here webhook is going to work as a bridge for connecting Eventbrite and Pabbly Connect together. And as we are going to receive a new registrant in Eventbrite for any event, then automatically we are going to receive the registrant response in Pabbly Connect by setting up this webhook inside Eventbrite. So here I need to first select my trigger, and here my trigger application is going to be Eventbrite. So I'm going to search for that and I need to select Eventbrite here. Now here I need to give a trigger event. So I'm going to open this tab and here I have this option of new order for all events. So I'm going to select this and it is going to trigger when a new order is placed for ticket to all events. So as I'm going to receive a new customer who is going to buy a new ticket or going to register for my event in Eventbrite, then automatically this is going to get triggered. So I'm going to select this new order all events as my triggered event. And now here I need to set up my webhook. So here I need to connect Eventbrite with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. And for that I need to use this webhook URL. So this webhook URL is going to work as a bridge between Eventbrite and Pabbly Connect. And for connecting these two applications, I need to follow all these instructions. And here I need to first log into my Eventbrite account, and I need to navigate to my profile where I will have a drop down. And from that drop down, I can go to account settings, and in account settings, I will find the developer links. And in developer links, I will have the option of webhooks. As I'm going to get to my option of webhooks, then in webhooks, I can add a new webhook by clicking on add webhook button. And after clicking on that add webhook button, I need to give my webhook URL and I need to paste that under the payload URL field. So first I'm going to copy this webhook URL from here. And after pasting the webhook URL, I need to select my event as all events and I need to select order placed as my action. So I have copied my webhook URL. Now I need to take it to Eventbrite. And here in Eventbrite, I need to go to my profile. And now in my profile, I need to go to account settings. Now here in account settings, I need to go to developer links, and in developer links, we can see I have this option of webhooks. So I'm going to select this. Now here in webhooks, we can see I have this option of add webhook. So I'm going to click on this add webhook button. And now I can add my webhook. So here first I need to give my payload URL. So in this tab of payload URL, I'm going to paste my webhook URL that I have copied from Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to paste that here. And now I need to select my event. So here I have already selected all events. So by selecting all events here, I can get the responses of all the events that I have in Eventbrite. And as I'm going to place a new order of a ticket or I'm going to register a new customer for any of the event in Eventbrite, then automatically I can get the response of that customer in Pabbly Connect. Now here I need to select my action. So in the actions, I have this option of order placed. So I'm going to select this as my action. And now I need to scroll down. And I need to click on add webhook button. And here we can see I have successfully added this webhook. So here by following all these steps and these instructions, I have successfully added my webhook inside Eventbrite. And now by adding this webhook, I can get the detail of the new customer or the new order that I'm going to place for my event in Eventbrite. Now I need to first take you to Pabbly Connect. And here in Pabbly Connect, we can see it is waiting for webhook response. So how I'm going to get this webhook response? For that, I need to first make a new order or I need to place a new order by purchasing a new ticket in Eventbrite for any event that I want. Now for this, let me take you to my ticket page where I'm going to sell a ticket for my event. So I'm going to take you there. And here I have this integration event that is scheduled for 31st of October. So here I'm going to reserve a spot and I'm going to buy a ticket. So I'm going to click on reserve a spot button. And now here, I need to add all the detail of my customer or the registrant who want to attend this event. So here I'm going to give the first name. So my first name will be demo. Last name or the surname will be user. Email will be demouser@pabblytudes.com. And I need to confirm my email. So I'm going to type that email again. So here I have confirmed the email. And now I'm going to register for this event. So I'm going to click on register. And here I have successfully registered for this event. So here I have created this order for my event. Now I need to take you back to Pabbly Connect. And here in Pabbly Connect, we can see I have received this response. So here in this response, we can see I have received this response for the order placed. And in this, I have my webhook ID. I have the user ID. Also in this, I have received the endpoint URL and I have received this API URL. So in this API URL, I have received my order ID. And now, if you want to get the detail of your registrant and the detail of your customer, then by retrieving this order ID from this API URL, by using text formatter, you can retrieve the order ID. And after retrieving the order ID, you can use that order ID to get the detail of your customer or the registrant that has registered for your event. So here for doing that, you need to add your action steps, and by getting the registrant detail and the detail of your customer, you can use those details and you can manage those details by adding those to your database. You can also send follow-up emails and do some marketing, and you can add that to your CRM platform, ticket management platforms, and anything that you want to do. So here by setting up this webhook, you are going to receive the response of the order that is going to get placed by your registrant. And simply by using this response, you can get the detail of your registrant and the customer so that you can use that in your further steps. So here I've successfully set up my webhook inside Eventbrite, and here I've set up my webhook to get the detail of the new orders that is going to get placed for my events in Eventbrite. So here by setting up this webhook, what is going to happen is that as I'm going to receive a new order from my customer, or I'm going to receive a new registration for any event that I have in Eventbrite, then automatically I'm going to receive that response in Pabbly Connect. So this is going to send me the response or an alert response for every new order that I'm going to receive for my events in Eventbrite. So by following all these instructions and by following all the steps that I did in this video, you can also set a webhook inside Eventbrite for getting the new order details for all the events that you have in your Eventbrite account. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this by using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to reach out to us, then email us at support@pabbly.com. And if you have any queries, then you can write us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any issue with the pricing, then you can visit this link. And if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.